Kohl stock has been trending on and off, up 42.34%. This is Tuesday, the 25th of November 2025, post market session. The volumes that cross the tape is close to 7x its regular average volume. Okay, let's see what we have. Short interest is we have, I think, 27%. If you think it's higher, drop a comment. Intraday high in this session, 22.5, $22.49. Underlying trend has gone bullish, yeah, and this it was thread to turn around, I would say, sometime in September. Okay, so extrapolation is saying that the 40-day moving average is going to serve as a support. Okay, if anything, it's um, rising to support any attempt to drop. Okay, so extrapolation is saying that higher prices may remain in place up to Friday the 28th. Then after that, we may have a contraction that may remain in place up till the 12th of December. Then there might be an attempt. So all in all, it's just saying it may just be a consolidation after Friday the 28th. Yeah, volatile one. Yeah. Okay. Projections are saying, okay, we've mentioned number 8, 16.08. Previous projections were saying 19.98, 21.87, 23.05, and indeed downward projections of 16.15, 15.35, 14.85. Yeah, let's see. Momentum is expected to remain strong up till Monday, the 8th of December. Okay, so even with an impending contraction, momentum is expected to still defy that. So I think this is it's always good to digest, rather to read these together. So this may not. I think what this might be saying is that maybe it may still remain strong. It may still remain strong if momentum is strong. Momentum, yeah, is actually, it's going to remain strong with an accumulative bias. Yes, with an upward incline. Yes, expect to remain strong with an upward incline. So this may well be, it may well hold at higher prices. It may well sustain this strength it's indicating, especially up till Friday the 28th. Okay, so it's a mix of things here. Momentum is expected to remain strong in the midst of maybe expectations that lower prices may continue to print. Okay, yeah, not completely clear, not but I think given that momentum is expected to remain strong, and then the algos are saying that lower prices may print. It's I think it's encouraging. It's encouraging. So, but in any case, these extrapolations are pointing to so many days ahead. The odds of them turning out like this are not high at all. So let's have a look at its 4-hour chart and see what we have. Okay, here extrapolation is saying that a contraction is imminent from now. It might be a volatile one up till Friday. Yes, it might be volatile. Yeah, up to Friday. But after that, it's saying that it's going to decline for sure, and the 40-period moving average wouldn't be able to catch it. Won't be able to hold it. Uh, Projections are saying 18.88 to the downside on this daily on this 4-hour chart, and here as well the contraction is in alignment with the momentum, price pressure momentum for its 10-period moving average is in alignment with the extrapolation of its 3-period moving average. Yeah, the stock is trending. Let's see now. Let's see. The company raised its 2025 profit forecast, expecting adjusted earnings per share of 1.25 to 1.45. Q3 net sales fell 2.8% to $3.41 billion, but shares soared 35% regardless. Let's find out what's going on. Yeah, apart from those earnings outcomes, there's a lot more. A lot. Of course, it's a meme stock. So let's find out what's going on.
Kohl's is having one of those moments where the whole retail trader crowd suddenly can't stop talking about it. Kohl's stock is trending as a wave of retail interest collides with the unusually high short interest, igniting chatter about whether the setup could morph into a genuine short squeeze scenario or if it's just another head fake pump. The stock ripping to a fresh 52-week high poured gasoline on the debate. Some folks are celebrating the breakout like it's a long overdue comeback story, while others are side eyeing the move and wondering if insiders are gearing up to cash out at the top. Across trading forums, Reddit threads, and FinTwit, the mood is basically split into three camps. The squeeze hunters. These traders think the stars are aligning: rising retail volume, elevated short interest, and the stock breaking out of its long term downtrend. They're posting charts showing volume pockets, gap fills, and momentum flows, calling this KSS season. A few are even comparing it to old school meme squeezes, though some admit Kohl's isn't exactly giving GameStop energy. The skeptics. This group is yelling, "Relax, it's a department store, not a rocket ship." Their concerns are the 52-week high might be overcooked. Rising price action could encourage executive or institutional selling, putting a lid on upside. And Cole's fundamentals haven't suddenly transformed overnight, so the rally might be more sentiment driven than earnings driven. They're dropping comments like, "Every time KSS pops, it gives the gains right back. Show me actual margin expansion before I FOMO." The analysts in the trenches. Then you've got the valuation and TA crowd who are deep diving into RSI levels, weekly moving averages, and whether Kohl's is actually cheap relative to its sector. Some are arguing that the stock is still undervalued on a price to sales basis. Others think it's simply stretched and destined for a pullback. The big questions being tossed around are: is this breakout real or a bull trap? Does the short interest justify squeeze hype or is it just noise? Can Coles keep pushing higher without a real catalyst? Right now, the conversation has that classic "we might be early or we might be wrong" tension. Bulls see momentum, bears see exhaustion, and everyone seems to agree on one thing: Coles is way spicier than a department store stock has any right to be.
Okay, so I'm looking at the November 28th series to see what the open interest are saying. Obviously, on the call side, it's a lot more, obviously, more, they are leaning bullish, easily leaning bullish. December 5th, these are weekly, also leaning bullish as well. December 12th, weekly as well. They're all, yes, still leaning bullish. December 19th, they're just regular monthly calls. Yeah, easily, strongly bullish here as well. Yeah. Okay. I don't think the volumes so far are not on the open interests. They're not bothering market makers as things stand right now. So have a look and see what you make of coal stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.